Today we are going to crochet a sunflower headband. The wire is made of 5 strands of milk wool. The crochet uses a 2.0 mm crochet. Adults can weave 8 groups of flowers with crochet. Flowers can be added or subtracted appropriately according to the head circumference. Next, let's crochet together. First of all, let's learn about a single flower. Take out the brown thread to crochet the stamens. First of all, on the finger, go around in a circle, then remove the needle ring. The crochet pierced into the lifting ring. Bring out a coil. First crochet 2 chain stitches as turning chains. Then we began to crochet the first lap. The first circle is crocheted with 8 bobble stitches in the needle ring. Each bobble stitches is made up of 5 unfinished half double crochet components. Continue to watch my demonstration. First of all, crochet winding. Penetrate into the needle ring. Bring out a coil. Like this is to crochet an unfinished half double crochet. Next, we continue to crochet 4 unfinished half double crochet. Crochet winding. Penetrate into the needle ring. Take the coil out twice. Take out the wire 3 times. Take out the wire 4 times. Take out the wire 5 times. After the completion of 5 unfinished half double crochet, then crochet wound the thread, pull all the coils on the crochet at once. Then crochet a chain stitches. So we finished a set of bobble stitches. Then crochet wound the thread. We followed the same method on this needle ring. A total of 8 groups of bobble stitches are crocheted. Let me show you again. First of all, the crochet goes around the thread and goes into the needle ring. Bring out a coil at once. Twice. 3 times. 4 times. 5 times. Then crochet wound the thread, pull all the coils on the crochet at once. Then crochet a chain stitches. In this way, the 2 groups of bobble stitches are completed. A total of 8 groups of bobble stitches were crocheted according to the same method. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After the completion of 8 groups of bobble stitches, let's pull this thread outside. Coil tension. In this way, the needle ring is reduced. The crochet goes back into the coil. In the first needle, crochet a slip stitches to connect. Then crochet a turning chains, cut the thread. Thread tension. In this way, we have finished the part of the stamens. We crocheted a total of 8 bobble stitches. There are 2 needles at the top of each bobble stitches. So our first lap, has been formed. 16 needles. And then put it into a needle at will. We began to crochet the part of the petals. Change the yellow line to bring it out. First, crochet 2 turning chains. And then in the same needle of slip stitches, crochet 4 unfinished half double crochet. Once. Twice. 3 times. 4 times and then continue in the second needle. Crochet 4 unfinished half double crochet. Once. Twice. 3 times. 4 times. Then crochet wound the thread. Pull all the coils on the crochet at once. Then crochet 3 chain stitches. Return to the first needle. Tun Li Shan. Crochet a slip stitches. Continue to crochet 3 chain stitches. Back to the second one. The stitches of the needle. Crochet a slip stitches. So we can finish the first petal. Then crochet the second petal. First, crochet 2 chain stitches. Then the crochet is wound around the third needle. Unfinished half double crochet crocheted for 4 times in the same eye. One, 2, 3, 4. Then crochet wound the thread. Continue to penetrate the fourth needle. Crochet 4 unfinished half double crochet. Then crochet wound the thread. Pull all the coils on the crochet at once. Then crochet 3 chain stitches. Go back to the first needle. Crochet a slip stitches. Then crochet 3 chain stitches. Go back to the pin of the fourth stitch. Crochet a slip stitches connection. So we can finish the 2 petals. And then follow the same method. A total of 8 petals were crocheted. 2 stitches crochet a petal. After the bug petals are finished, draw to the pin of the last stitch. Finally, crochet a slip stitches, cut the thread and pull it out. The unit flower of such as sunflower. We'll hook it up. Only the first flower. We are a complete piece of flower crocheted. The flowers behind us are crocheted and spliced at the same time. Crochet 2 petals according to the previous method. Then crochet the third petal. First, crochet 2 turning chains. Crochet the third unit flower in half. The crochet pulls all the coils at once. Then crochet 3 chain stitches. Let's crochet here. We're going to connect. Pick up another flower. Drag the crochet out. Wear at will. The first flower. At any sharp corner. Take the thread out. Then go back to the pin of the first needle to draw. Crochet 3 chain stitches. Go back to the pin of the last needle and pull it out. This completes the third petal. The connection then continues to crochet the fourth petal. The fourth petal is also in the middle of crocheting. Make a connection. Then crochet wound the thread. Pull all the coils on the crochet at once. Crochet 3 chain stitches. Drag the crochet out. Into the sharp corner of the fourth petal. Take the thread out. Go back to the departure of the first needle. Crocheted slip stitches. Then crochet 3 chain stitches. Go back to the last stitch. Crochet a slip stitches. So we will put the 2 flowers. The 2 petals are connected. The remaining 4 petals do not need to be connected. Crochet in the normal way. Let's crochet it. So the 2 flowers are connected. We have 8 flowers altogether. We connected these 2 flowers. In the back, when we continue to connect, there are 2 empty on the left. 2 flowers are empty on the right side of the flower. These 2 symmetrical ones will be fine. I crocheted 8 flowers. Head circumference suitable for adults if it is a child wearing it. We can reduce the number of flowers according to the situation, then crochet the part of the lanyard into the ends of the headband. Just crochet the right amount of chain stitches. I have about 80 chain stitches crocheted here. After crocheting to the right length, cut the thread and pull it out. We can tie a knot at the end or hang small decorations in the same way. Crochet the tethered part at the other end.